switch or do you want to keep it because you got good ones? Keep it so you can just put it in the discard. Your turn, honey.
Vacation.
Wow, I'm thinking Danny's taking a vacation, right? Keegan.
The admins, I'm really glad I don't have to do that.
Am I gonna get only one number and all the rest are just gonna be trash?
This one over here is a lot easier.
You already had a 4 there, huh?
Alright, so you guys just put one more down, and then put one on the top of the pile, and then if the next person needs it, you can take it.
And
So now, do you need a 4? You can take it.
I bet it's a 4 again.
Oh, do you need a 9? You can take it. Upside up again so she can see. Do you need a 5? And now, so put your 5
there you go.
And you can put your gumdrop can be any number you want it to be.
Oh, she's not gonna discard that. There you go. Okay, I see.
And now what's that one? 1. So you put in the 1 spot. You're doing great. You're on a roll here, kid. Oh, what's your next card? Oh, you already have a 5, so you can put it here. And then if Keegan needs it, he can steal it. You gotta quit tasting the candy.
So far